This is the end results of the Summit brand 2-part paint, satin finish. I'm not a fan of gloss. I set that in there, just held it in with bolts to get it out of the way. I know the lighting out here isn't that great, but turned out okay. So here's parts I have waiting when I get to that point. The American Auto Wire harness, adjustable track bar, it's the sending unit for the tank. This here is a master bolt kit directly from AMD. This thing's nice kit. Now, considering I started with pretty much a bare frame and a stripped cab, I needed all this stuff, is why I bought it. It was $220, I think. But it's got pretty much everything I'm gonna need, I think, other than for mounting the body and bed and stuff. I got CPP engine mounts, transmission mount to go on the cross member, new spring clamps. This is a rear drum brake springs hardware kit, wheel cylinders, trailing arm bushings, rear shock relocation kit. I went ahead and sprayed the rear drums when I was painting the frame. Hopefully that'll keep those from rusting up like they do. I'm waiting to take the rear end over to have it sandblasted along with the center link. Once I get that back, get it painted, I've got some stuff I need to touch up on the trailing arms and the A-arms. I'm also waiting on my disc brake, suspension and everything to come in from CPP.